So guys, I'm going to do a quick video here. I've got 2 steps down from this template. So I'm just going to show you quickly how we template a step, because I'm getting people constantly asking the same questions. So obviously we've got our straight stairs here going up. So we're having 10 centimeters off of each side. So you can see 10 centimeters there. And then we've got 10 centimeters here. So what I've done, obviously in the newel post, obviously these are going to be different widths. So we need to keep it all the same. So what I've done is I've gone into the newel post, and as you can see there, 100mm, 10 centimeters. And then again this side, 100mm. And then again we've run down this one here, 10 centimeters, and I guess it's the same down here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure up from this point to that point, which is 6.4. So that's 6.4. 6.3. And then what we do is we come across here like that. And then come down, and if it doesn't look right, then you can always move it out slightly, because this side is not going to really matter that much. So about there right now. That looks a bit tight to me, so what I might do is bring that over slightly. So what I might do, I might bring this over to about 8. Yeah, I'll bring it over to about 8. Because obviously the winders, because they're a lot wider, about there I think. Let's show a bit different there. And all you have to do then is just adjust your line. Like so. And that way it just gives it a bit more distance, so it looks a bit more equal. If I come in from there, look at that, it's nearly 10. So spot on. And what we'll do, get our pencil, and then I'm going to draw my line across here, along the bullnose.